So this is what they gave us. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna explain how I got my measurements and how I got everything. Okay, so first of all, we know that the triangles have different types of rules. So for this one, the one that goes with this one is the 30, 60, and 90 degrees. So when you have that, the hypotenuse measures 2x. The one of the legs measures x, and the other leg measures x square root of 3. So knowing that, we already, okay, the picture that they give us is like something like this, and then we have this side, and it says that this equals to x. So if this is 2x, and this is x square root of 3, and this is x, we have to divide everything by 2. So this could be x, and it could equal this, because when you close it, these two are supposed to be congruent. So that's why we divide it by 2, and we get half x, and then we get x and x square root of 3 divided by 2, and that's gonna be our height. Okay, so that's how we got those measurements. Now, to get this space right here between, to get base 1, we are subtracting everything we know by the whole 22 inches, which is all of this. So we don't know this, and we don't know this, because these two equal to each other. But we do know that this equals x, this other one equals x, and these two equals half x. So what we do is add all the x's, and that's x, 2x, 2x and a half, and 3x. So you're left with, so you start with the 22 minus the 3x, and because we have these two parts to it, we have to divide the answer by 2. So what you're gonna, whenever you subtract the 3x from the 22 inches, you're gonna get this plus this. We know that these two are equal to each other, so that's why we're gonna divide everything by 2. So this is gonna be your base equals to base 1. Oh, why did I put I? 1. Okay. So now we're looking for base, we're looking for base 2. Well, we already know that this is equal to 22 minus 3x over 2. Now we just add the two half x's, and so that just gives you x. So what you would just do is 22 minus 3x over 2 equals base 2. And so so the formula says that base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height gives you the area of the trapezoid. Now we're looking for volume, therefore we're gonna multiply it by height again, so it could be a cubic function. So we have base 1, we have base 2, all we need is the height. Now to get the height, we wait, should I turn it? No, right here. Okay. The height is from this to this. So what we're gonna do is subtract this space from the whole 28 inches. So this is okay. So we know that this is equal to x square root of 3 over 2. And I mean, this is the same. So we're gonna add those and then subtract them by 28. So it's gonna be 28 minus, oh crap, okay. Okay, so 28 minus, when you combine them, it's like half plus half equals a whole. So we just have x square root of 3. And that's going to be your height equals h. So now we have everything we need for... Okay, so we have we have one of the heights. This is height, well, I'm just gonna name it height 2 because it's like the longest one. It's gonna be this long, this height. And now we just need to put this other height. So I don't know if you can see. Okay, yeah. It's gonna be x square root of 3 divided by 2 equals height 1. And now we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna substitute it into this equation. So I'm gonna repeat the equation is b1. So can you see it? Yeah. No, wait. Okay. No, you can't. Let me see it. Let me see. I don't know. Okay. Oh, forget about that. Okay. So base. Oh, my hair. Okay. Minus. No, it's not minus. Plus. Divided by 2, and this is h1. So that's how you get your area, your area, the base area. Yes, big B. And then you have to multiply everything by h2. So you plug it all in, and it is 22. Ay, se me olvidó. 22 minus 3x over 2 plus 22 minus 3x over 2 plus x, remember the x, like over 2, and then times the h1, remember h1, so that is x over 3. Oh man, did it turn off? Okay, never mind. Okay, so 2, and then all of that times the big height, which is 28 minus x square root of 3 plus parentheses. So that's gonna be your whole equation. You can't see it, the glare. Oh my gosh. Okay, like that. Okay. So I already plugged it in the calculator, as you can see right here. Okay. And okay, so menu, let's analyze, and then we're looking for the maximum. So okay, I'm just gonna put it over here, and as you can see is it was, oh crap, okay, it was, okay, it's right here. Where is it at? 4.29. okay, so that's your maximum. That's the points. So now once you have your x 4.29, you're gonna plug it into every single x in here. So you're gonna plug it into this x, to this x, to this x, and then you're gonna find your measurements. And as you can see, well, I did it right here. So these are our measurements. yeah, these are the measurements. So then we just these are in inches, so we just measured it in the big poster, and I mean, it worked. Yay. Okay, well, and then we made sure by adding all of these together, and it gives you 22.01, and then if you add this plus this and then plus this other length, it gives you 28.01. So I mean, pretty close. And yeah, that's how you get your, that's how we found our answer. Yay, hooray. Okay, hope you like it, Miss Tal, and excuse my birds at the beginning of the video. Yeah, I'm gonna quiz you on their names. It's Chencho and Frida. Don't forget. Okay.